Maybe I'll just try it. Just go for it. It'll be fine. Well, I tried it. Huh. Hi guys. Hey guys, it's okay, so I feel awkward because it should not have to be a thing. So my family is home and I feel awkward filming in an open space. I should be not afraid to do this, but I am. Hey guys, it's Anne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, a while ago I posted a video of me making dairy-free brownies and you were kind of just, oh no. Okay, so a while ago I posted a video of me making dairy-free brownies and I was kind of just like hanging out with you guys. It was chill. You guys really like that video. Gosh, again. You guys really like, can't talk. You guys really like that video, so I decided I would do another one. Today, we're gonna be festive. I have a somewhat festive shirt on. Sort of. Fun fact, I don't really have a lot of festive clothing. It's kind of a problem. Anyways. So, we're being festive and we're making some Christmas fudge because I have a Christmas party to go to in like an hour. So, oh, frick. It'll be fine. So today we're going to be making some fudge. I need a bowl. So I thought for this video I might go a little bit more in depth about like the process of what I'm making. So, you can follow along with me a bit more, I guess. I don't know how this works. In a 1/4 glass bowl, this is what I have here. We combine 2½ cups of chocolate chips. Okay. The recipe said that you only need 1 quart glass bowl, but I just felt like it was too full with all those chocolate chips. I got a bigger one, and now I need sweetened condensed milk. Found it. Alright. Wrapper got torn off, so I'm just gonna assume this is 14 ounces, but I have nothing confirming that. Alright, so, funny story. I was making brownies with my mom, and you know, we were putting the brownie batter into the pan to bake. And can you even see what I'm doing? Frick! Alright. And you have to like scrape it to get it all out well. As like a 12-year-old, I made this like really fun song. Be sharing on the internet. Woo! Let me just demonstrate it for you. Gotta get all the goodness. There you go. That's that. I'm pretty sure I've done pretty much everything. Next. So, how have you guys been doing? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, Vlogmas is happening. I think by the time you're seeing this, it'll be almost over. So that's exciting. I guess it's good because like I don't have to vlog every day. But the same time, like, I honestly really loved it. It was a lot of fun just to like vlog my normal day, and I find so much joy in editing and like putting my personality into how I edit. So yeah, that was really fun. Finding a thumbnail and thinking of a good title is sometimes really hard. But yeah, so that's been good. I did take a break for most of this week just because I got behind on my vlogs. Just gonna use a spoon again. Oh, it's so melty and nice. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So let me know how you've been doing, because I would love to be creepy and know about your lives. So the party starts in about 30 minutes. This was supposed to chill for 2 hours, but I did not read the recipe all the way through before I made this, so that's fun. I've also been working on a ton of homework, so love that for me. But I figured since I was gonna make a dessert anyways, I might as well film it. Whew. There are still like a bit of chunks left, but it's pretty well stirred in. How much is a dash of salt? Like a pinch or like less than a pinch? We'll never know. Oh, hopefully that wasn't too much. Boom. Alright, this is like almost out. 1.5 teaspoons, not tablespoons, of vanilla extract. There's exactly 1 teaspoon left in this thing, and it's so great. I love how I'm still just using a metal spoon for this. So now I need to put this in a 8-inch square baking pan with wax paper. Gotta get I just love that. I'm wondering if it's bad to put fudge in the freezer. Because right now we have 25 minutes. Maybe I'll just try it. Just go for it. That is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video, which will be very frequent because I am still doing Vlogmas. So I will put the recipe in the description box below, as well as all of the videos of Vlogmas this year. I'll just drop the whole playlist in there. You go hang out with me. Also, a fun fact, if you didn't know, this camera that I have has like a 20-minute limit on videos that you can film at once, and today we stuck within our time limit. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!